Hello everyone, Akshay here again. So today we will try and do the task 3 in FBD, functional block diagram. We have already done this program in ladder diagram, and I assume that you have understood the program in ladder diagram. And if your favorite language is FBD, we will go forward and discuss the program, how to do the program in FBD. I would request you to at least give a try to do the program in FBD. If not, then do follow the video. I have already wrote the program in FBD, and so that I don't want to waste the time in writing the program. And actually, I want to invest the time in explaining you why I do certain configuration and discussing the underlying logic. So let's go ahead and watch the program. So this is my program I have wrote and I have zoomed in, otherwise you will say why the things are seeming so bigger. So I have went up in here and I zoom. You can zoom in here. I have already adjusted the view, so no need to do again. So this is, so remember, only logic thing what I'm using is that in FBD I do use, it's my personal opinion, I do use AND gate as my switching device. So, and remember one thumb rule, that you can't you can form a loop in FBD. So what do I mean by that? Let's go ahead and understand the program so you will get a picture clear. So this is, as you know, I am using AND gate as my switching device. I want to switch on and off my light, and this is my push button X. So I want to switch on and off my light, so I'm using an AND gate, and one input to the AND gate is my push button X, and another input is an inverted input. What does this means? That by default this input will be high. So when I am activating my push button by pushing it, what will happen? Immediately my light will go green, because I'm providing a high input, and this is by default I have providing a node. So this is high, so this and this, as the name suggests, so it's a logic saying if this input and this input is high, then my output goes high. So my light will go on, and at the same time it will activate my timer 1. How it will activate my timer 1? It's through this AND gate. When I'm pushing my push button X, it will go green, that is high, and even this is high because they have got the same name. So it's basically I have named the input same. So if this is going high, even this will go high. And again the same logic, I have put it a node, that is a negation, or you can see inverted input. So it's by default it is high. When I'm pushing a button, this is high, even this is high, and output will be high, and it will be activating my timer 1. And this timer is for recording the on time of the light. And once after 2 seconds, what will happen? The output will go high, and this high output will be feed in through this. And what will happen? It's a negation, it's an inversion. So what will happen? The high which is supplied will be registered low here because it's an inversion. So when this is low and this is high, you know the logic, this and this should be high to the light to light up. And if this is low and this is high, then this will go low. And at the same time, what will happen? This will get activated because it's producing a high input. The high input is supplied to this. Remember, I haven't linked this to this because it will lead to a loop formation, and loop formation is not allowed in FBD. It will give you an error when you are trying to build the project. So when this will go high, this will go high, and this timer will get activated, and it will record my off time. After that, again the cycle will repeat. So let's go ahead and run the program. My program is already running. So we will try and set the value to 1. It's equivalent to pushing the button. You can say light is on, now it is off, now it is on. So you can observe how the things are working by if the things are happening quite fast for you, you can go ahead and increase the time period, doesn't matter, and observe how the line turns green and red when the things are producing output and when not. So you will learn how the things are so at the background. So that's what it is important, and do invest time in this program because this is a little bit complex, I do believe, for at this stage, but it will yield you a result in future. Thanks for listening. Have a great day ahead and best of luck in understanding the program. If you have got doubt, do post your comments in the comment section. I will try to get back to you soon as possible. Thanks a lot.